Let's examine how the Delivery Max Radius Validation option works. To activate this option, it requires a valid Google Maps API key. To begin, open your app settings page. Click on Local Delivery Settings. Scroll down to the Distance Validation section and select Delivery Max Radius. Paste your key directly into the Google Map API input box. Don't forget to save. Once your settings are saved, navigate over to the Locations page. Click Edit on your target store location and scroll down to the Local Delivery section. Here, you'll find the Max Distance field. Enter the maximum delivery radius allowed for this store, for example, 50 kilometers. Click Save to apply the update. Now, let's head over to the live storefront cart page and refresh it. When a customer selects Local Delivery, they can enter their zip code or address, and the app will validate whether their address falls within your specified 50-kilometer radius and location. As an example, you can see here, blue line is driving distance and pink line is radius of distance.